Hi, my name is Takeshi, and I'm going to talk about the new Poly Studio BaseKit G9 Plus for Microsoft Teams Rooms. This product offers you the core components of the Microsoft Teams Room with a collaboration PC and a touch controller ready to be set up in a conference room with room displays and the AV peripherals. Let's see what's included in the box. In the overpack, we have an HP mini conferencing PC and a Poly TC10 touch controller box. Let's unbox the HP mini IP conferencing PC first. Here is the HP mini conferencing PC. It is a custom designed for collaboration use, and when I turn it around, you see color-coded ports with specific functions such as HDMI ingest and a PoE port for Poly TC10 touch controllers. The setup diagram is attached to the box with color-coded QR codes pointing you to quick setup videos and the instructions. Then we have the AC adapter and the power cord, dual VESA sleeve with power supply holder, and the port cover for the cable management. True 4K DisplayPort to HDMI adapter if you have two displays in the room, and the 10-meter Ethernet cable for TC10 connection with a purple colored boot to match the PoE and the Ethernet port on the mini PC and the TC10 controller. Next, let's unbox Poly TC10. We have a Poly TC10 touch controller with the Ethernet port marked by the same purple coloring as the PC's PoE port and the 10-meter Ethernet cable, and the stand for the touch controller. These are what you'd need for this setup. Besides them, we have an Ethernet cable and a wall mount kit which you'd use mostly to mount outside the room when you use Poly TC10 as a room scheduling panel. This is everything that is included in the Poly Studio BaseKit G9 Plus for Microsoft Teams Rooms. Please check out our setup video, and for additional information, be sure to visit hp.com.